A very good morning, dear students. In the Agriculture in India chapter, what we studied in the previous class, meaning of agriculture. Then, what are the factors it involves in order to grow the proper crops. Then, meaning of horticulture, livestock rearing and fishing. And importance of agriculture also we saw. 70% of the population in India depends upon agriculture and they treat agriculture as their main occupation. And it is the main resources for the survival of the people as a food. Then what is agriculture? Agriculture or farming means the cultivation of land to produce the crops where it also provides a raw materials for many industries and it is surviving the life of the people basic needs, that is food. Next, a variety of crops are produced in India because of its advanced and favorable climate, like fertile soil where climate, rainfall, all it leads to the various factors which helpful in growing the crops. Next, we also saw the cropping seasons in India. Generally, in India, there are two major cropping seasons. Which are they? Kharif and Rabi season. Kharif season, during this season, the crops will be sown in summer and harvested in winter. It's called Kharif. And these crops requires lot of water and hot weather to grow, like rice, millets, sugarcane, maize, pulses, groundnuts, cotton and jute. Now coming to the rabi season, children, the crops which are sown in the winters and harvested in summer are called rabi crops. This requires cool climate and warm climate during germination and harvesting, like wheat, mustard, oilseeds, barley and gram. Now we shall move on to the next topic, that is types of crops which are grown in India. So basically crops have been divided into two groups. One is food crops and the other one is cash crops. So dear students, as I said, today's topic is types of crops grown in India. In our country, there are two types of crops are grown, food crops and cash crops. What is the meaning of food crops? The crops that are grown to be used or feed or survival of the people are called food crops. Even the food crops are also sold for the cash in order to earn money. And next, cash crops, the crops that are grown to which are to be sold in the market in return for a money are called cash crops. Food crops includes rice, wheat, maize, millets, pulses. Then cash crop includes rubber, jute, cotton, tea, coffee, etc. So dear students, coming to the rice. So this is the rice in its original form. When it beaten in the mill they crush into the rice, then we get the rice. So India is the second largest producer of rice in the world. Next, the first is the China. After China, our country India is the second largest producer, or the which is in the second place in producing the rice, and it is the common food for the people of which area in the southern and eastern part of India. And coming to the weather condition, the rice grows in the hot and humid climate and it requires lot of water to grow the rice, that you all know. So it is grown in West Bengal, Assam, Bihar, Jharkhand, and even in Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Odisha, Haryana, Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh. These are the states in which the rice has been grown. Next food crop is wheat. Wheat is the second largest producer of by India in the world. So you know how the wheat look like. So the wheat is the in India the wheat is the stands for the second place in the world. When you compare all over the world, wheat is the second largest producer of wheat in the world, and wheat requires cool and moist climate. And which are the states generally this wheat is grown? Northern part of India. That is Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. In the southern and eastern part of the region, they will have rice as their staple food. But in the northern part of India, majorly they consume wheat. The picture you could see the image of a maize. So after knowing the rice and about wheat, maize is also known as what? Corn. So it requires high temperature, hot temperature and medium rainfall for its growth. And in which state does it grow? In the part of in the southern part like Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, even in the northern part of Punjab, Haryana and Bihar. Next is millets. So students, millets include small grains like ragi, jowar and bajra. Millets are also known as coarse grain, which will be grown in hot and dry climate and it requires very less rainfall. So ragi grows in damp areas, jowar grows in moist areas, bajra grows in dry areas. So what we say Siri Dhanyagalu, millets. Nowadays it is been given many importance in terms of health issues also. If you grow this, you will have a wealth benefits also. It is very it has got importance in the even in the foreign markets also. Next comes the pulses. Pulses like gram, urdal, moong dal, tur dal, peas, masoor. These kinds are together we call it as pulses. Next, it is one of in India. It is one of the largest producer along with the other countries. So consumer as well as the producer, they grow as well as they consume it for their own purpose also. They sell it also. They includes gram, urad, moong, tur dal, peas and masoor. They grow well in the regions like where the dry climate exists. They need dry climate to grow properly. Throughout India, pulses are grown and the states covers like Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, in which these states the pulses are being grown in large number, that is in large quantity. Next is cash crops. What is cash crops? The crops that are grown in order to sell it in the market in order to earn the cash. Some examples of cash crops are sugarcane, tea, coffee, rubber, cotton, jute, spices and oil seeds. In the video which you are seeing, it's a oil seeds like mustard oil, groundnut